Can't see full search results on your iPhone? Safe search might be turned on. Let me show you how to turn it off on iOS 26. First method is directly through Google in Safari. Open the Safari app on your iPhone. Go to google.com. In the top right corner, tap your profile picture. Tap on Safe Search. Now select Off. That's it. Safe Search is now disabled. If that doesn't work, screen time might be blocking it. Open Settings. Scroll down and tap Screen Time. Tap Content and Privacy Restrictions. Now tap App Store, Media, Web, and Games. Tap Web Content. Select Unrestricted Access. Enter your screen time passcode if asked. Now Safe Search is fully turned off on your iPhone. You can see full search results without restrictions. Subscribe for more iOS 26 tips and quick fixes.